How to send money from GCash to PayMaya. The first things first is, of course, make sure that your GCash application is updated to the latest version so that you won't encounter any issues, crashes, or bugs. Open up your GCash account and log in using your 4-digit MPIN. Once you successfully logged in, there's actually two specific ways on sending fund or sending money from your GCash account to PayMaya. The first option is via QR code. You simply tap on this circle icon located at the lower center portion of your screen that says QR. If you tap on that, you will have an option to generate a QR code or to upload a QR. If you have successfully saved this QR code from the person where you will be sending the fund to, just simply hit on upload and then just simply send the specific fund. Now you could also try to just simply use the send option, express send, and from here, just simply type in the PayMaya account number where you will be sending the fund with, and then enter the specific amount. And that's it. That is how you send money from GCash to PayMaya.